I'm going to tell you a story of two kids. They made a ship and decided to go on a journey. But sooner they understood they were lost. They did the best they can. Every star you see in the night is bigger and brighter than our sun. Just our sun can fit 1 million Earths in it. Still, sun is an average size star. Their mom was looking for them in a hope that they will come one day. But for so long, the long took 26 years for them to return. The way a star is formed when huge dust of clouds and gases are gathered together. When these clouds and gases and dust become so bigger, its own gravity will start it to collapse and particles inside it will start nuclear fusion. And when they came back, their mom was crying from the happiness. And the mom questioned to the kids that why haven't you returned back? In a star, the simplest element, hydrogen, which makes a star to shine, and as the time passes, hydrogen, helium, carbon and oxygen are converted due to burning of subsequent elements. And a time comes when nuclear fusion stops and the outer layer collapses to the center. Then the star converts itself to a supernova. But how do we know elements in a star? When a star is millions and millions of miles away from us, since the closest star to us is Proxima Centauri or Alpha Centauri, 4.2 light years away. The answer is light itself that we receive from these stars. Just as the light from the sun which disperses into 7 colors, each atom soaks up light in specific wavelength. We look all these wavelengths, we create rainbows and try to extrapolate the information. And there you have it. Bingo. And then the kids replied, when there was sun, they retrieved the direction from the sun, and in night tsunami take them over. And they lost all the information from the sun. Time passes by, and they looked in the sky, there was a star, which was at a same place. After months and months, the star never changed the position. The boys took that star as a reference point to return back. Because we came so far, we left so far behind. We can survive in the universe until we have an energy source. The more the universe expands, the larger the distance becomes due to dark energy. Since we left dark energy for a different video, so this is for now. Imagine a black hole where gravity is so strong which bends the light around it, which also helps astrophysicists to see distant galaxies, a gravitational lens from a black hole. It was made from smoke and went back. There are things that we think might not exist, but they do. Emptiness is not nothingness, and nothingness is not empty anyway. There are particles in the universe that we can't see, but that doesn't mean that they don't exist. Light emitted by the sun takes 8 minutes to reach us, which means that the light we see is a picture of sun 8 minutes ago. You are looking what it looks like years ago. The far I think, or the far I move, the far I left behind. That is why I always say, my work is a game, a very serious game. And as always, thanks for watching. Not every video is a research done by other scientists. There are researches that are done by us too. That is why this video is supported by California Institute of Technology.